With a bowl of popcorn between them, the cat and dog revel in their partnership, exchanging playful nudges while eagerly awaiting the next thrilling escapade from their favorite animated characters. Fueled by inspiration from the cartoon, the cat and dog fashion a playful fort, transforming their living room into a whimsical playground, ready to dive into a world of creativity and adventure. Embodying the spirit of adventure, the cat assumes the role of a fearless leader, with the dog providing enthusiastic support as they set out to conquer the imaginary quests inspired by the cartoon's treasure map.